The baby hairs is already done, the hair is already cut, everything is already done for you, and it looks so good. So I'm just showing you guys what it looks like before I walked out the door. I put a little makeup on, y'all know, y'all see it, real cute, real cute.
Love yours.
What's up, you guys? We are getting into this water wave unit, and the unit came already done. The baby hair is already on it, the hair already plucked, and we got the drawstring in the back for extra security. I'm just gonna show you guys how quick it is to put it on because it's so quick. So first I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses little foundation, and I'm putting that all over my cap. This is going to be glueless. You don't have to wear glue with it, or you could spray a little adhesive, but as you guys can see, y'all see how easy everything is blending. Like, Nadula hair is making the hair game so much easier, y'all. Like, look at the baby hairs. The baby hairs are exactly how I do mine. It's almost like they was like, okay, we gonna structure this wig to how she be doing her hair, so when she just put it on, you don't gotta worry. So first I just took some holding spray and I sprayed it on the top, because if y'all been seeing my recent tutorials, I've been telling you guys I like using holding spray to kind of like get everything together, and then I go in with the wax stick. I feel like the holding spray gives you more flexibility without, you know, having to keep going over with the wax stick when like making the hair look oily and stuff. So once I have everything exactly how I want it, then I'll go in with my wax stick and like secure everything in. But I did go in with some mousse because I just wanted the hair to look very, very like water wavy, and y'all see how everything is blending in. Like, y'all, Nadula hair be making the hair game so easy. Like, if you are a beginner and you don't know how to do your hair, just get a wig from Nadula hair. Matter of fact, get this wig, because all you have to do is throw it on, literally. Like, all this extra stuff I'm doing, you really don't have to do it if you don't want to, but y'all know me, I have to make it look exactly like to my liking, because you know I'm a perfectionist. But y'all, like, when I seen the baby hairs on the wig, I was like, hold on. And they sent me another wig, another tutorial coming soon. Y'all gonna be blown away by that one too, because they just did a biggest one, bigger than they did on this one. On the other one I'm gonna show y'all in a few weeks, not in a few weeks, probably like next week. But yeah, like, I'm going in with my Got To Be gel and just going back over the baby hairs just to kind of like, you know, have them locked into place. But this is basically all you have to do, is just throw the wig on, kind of refresh your baby hairs, and walk out the door. Like, I'm still so amazed at the fact that the hair already had baby hairs, and the baby hairs look good. Like, y'all know sometimes when they be doing stuff for you, I be having to go back and perfect it. No, I didn't have to do anything, and I was literally about to go out, and I was getting ready like an hour before, and I'm literally about to get ready again and throw a wig on. Like, Nadula hair is the company that you use for when you are literally pressed for time and you need to still look real good, and you want to look like you spent hours doing your hair, when in all actuality it probably only took you 15-20 minutes. Like, what are we talking about right now? Like, but I'm just going in with my little hot comb and just making sure I got everything perfected, because this is water wave hair, so you really don't have to do too much. But yeah, so now that everything is good, I am about to just make sure that the water wave curls are to my liking. I wanted to make sure that everything was looking real good and real wavy. This is what the hair looks like, completely dry, no water or anything on it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and spray some leave-in conditioner on the hair just to make sure that the curls are popping exactly how I want them, and it just gives that fresh water wave look.
Tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine.
And this is the final product of the hair, what it looks like. You guys already know all the information for this hair is down below, but like I said before, I am just so blown away at this hair that the baby hairs is already done, the hair is already cut, everything is already done for you, and it looks so good. So I'm just showing you guys what it looks like before I walked out the door. I put a little makeup on, y'all know, y'all see it, real cute, real cute. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and y'all need to get this wig because they are doing their thing with this one. Yeah, y'all go shop and do the hair because they definitely did their biggest one. But I love you guys so much. Stay blessed. GI Babies, we out. See you guys in the next video.